This is the Iowa Weather Report for Tuesday, September 10th, 2013. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At 1 p.m. this afternoon, we have our ridge starting to move off to our southeast. The westerlies starting to come south out of Canada. That'll be bringing that cold front we've been talking about into the state. It'll be over the northwestern counties most of the day today, with some shower and thunderstorm activity scattered about in that area. Highs today, low 80s northwest to upper 90s south and east. It'll be sultry in the southeastern counties. Finally, Tuesday night or tonight into Wednesday, that front starts to move in. The chances of rain don't look very great, 20 to maybe 30 or 40% crack. Wednesday looks to be about the same, some sun, some rain, but that's gone here Thursday. Highs drop into the 70s here on Thursday to maybe some low 80s around, with all the rain to the south and off to our east as high pressure builds in from Canada. That looks to build into somewhere over just near Marquette, Michigan, or between there and Duluth, Minnesota. Temperatures will be quite cool Thursday morning, or Friday morning, and again even Saturday morning, with highs getting back up into the 70s to low 80s. The high pressure moves off to somewhere over Lake Huron on Saturday. The winds start to turn around to the south. You can see moisture developing over the plains. That'll be moving into the state late Saturday night into Sunday, where there could be some very isolated shower activity. Better chances look to be over Nebraska and Kansas, and along the Gulf Coast, where there could be a tropical system moving into the northern part of Mexico. But otherwise, we still have a chance of maybe a few isolated showers around here on Monday, as the Gulf is pretty much taken over by this possible tropical system over Texas into the northern parts of Old Mexico. A week from today, you can see the westerlies are getting a little bit closer to us. You can see a trough axis moving across the west, pretty much zonal from about the Rockies eastward. No ridge, no troughs from the Rockies eastward. So we'll start to see the Gulf open up. Maybe it'll take some of this tropical moisture from this possible tropical system and lift it up toward us. We can only hope so, but maybe some scattered isolated activity here next week. Looking out into the extended here on September the 21st, there's a trough with some energy moving across the U.S.-Canadian border over the Rockies. Maybe a tropical system off the Florida east coast, and that could be of interest because this frontal system here that'll be coming in will slowly begin to stall as this tropical system could be making an east coast run, so we'll have to wait and see about that. At the end of the forecast on September the 25th, we have one storm that was over the northwest, now over the somewhere near Winnipeg, Manitoba. Ridge over the east, another trough diving into the north and west, and here's a frontal system that's going to bring some more shower and maybe thunderstorm activity with some tropical moisture just streaming in out of the eastern Gulf, the Atlantic. It's just going to be raining if this is right, and we better hope this is right because we haven't had a whole lot of rain. Satellite image from last evening showed a complex of showers and thunderstorms over about Sault Ste. Marie into Ontario, a couple of showers and storms over the plains, and some diurnal showers and storms beginning to die out in the desert south and west. Watch warning map from last evening was very quiet across most of the country. Flash flood watches across New Mexico into Utah and Colorado. A few flash flood warnings there as well. Otherwise, it's fairly quiet across the country. QPF chart, precipitation over the next 5 days through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock. Showing any rain around here will be about maybe 1/10 of an inch to maybe 1/4, half an inch. Heaviest well to our west, southwest, and over New England.